Create a picture-perfect homecoming look that lasts all night. We've got everything you need for the big night. Homecoming season is finally upon us, which means it's time to start planning your perfect, show-stopping look for the big night. From picking the perfect dress to finding the right hairstyle, there are so many things to consider. But I think we can all agree that one of the most important parts of any homecoming look is the makeup. Whether you're going for a bold and dramatic look or something more natural and subtle, there are some classic makeup must-haves that will have you looking and feeling your best all night long. Today, we'll be sharing our top picks for homecoming makeup must-haves, from complexion perfecting products to bold lip colors. We'll also share some insider tips and tricks for ensuring your makeup stays put all night long, no matter how much dancing and celebrating you do. From setting sprays to touch-up products, we've got everything you need to look your best from the first dance to the last. So, buckle up for expert advice and some of the top product recommendations that will help you create an unforgettable look. I know there is so much pressure surrounding homecoming. We all know how important it is to look and feel amazing for those pre-dance selfies and post-dance "I'm exhausted, but at least my makeup is still on point" snaps. You don't just want to look good for the first pick of the night, you want to look effortless, even at the after party, after you've danced the night away. But I know the pressure to keep your face looking fabulous all night long can be intense, which is why we're diving headfirst into foundation, mascara, and enough setting spray to keep your face intact through hours of fun. That is where we come in. Prepping your homecoming look shouldn't have to be stressful. It should be fun and give you the confidence you deserve as you own your style. So let's get into it. Okay, hold on to your makeup brushes because we're about to get into the nitty-gritty. We want you to be able to leave this video able to prep, apply, set, and touch up like a pro, so you can dance the night away without worrying about your makeup melting off. Step 1, prep like a boss. Before we dive into the shimmery eyeshadows and bold lips, let's talk prep. Every masterpiece needs a smooth canvas, and your face is no exception. You'll want to start by exfoliating your skin gently to get rid of any dead skin cells that have been hanging out. Next, moisturize to make sure your skin isn't left feeling dry all night. Finally, reach for a good primer. You'll want to make sure everything sticks and stays put. And primer is going to help your makeup look go a long way. Pro tip, make sure your primer and foundation are either both water-based or both silicone-based. Otherwise, you'll end up with a makeup disaster that looks like oil and water trying to mix. Step 2, apply like an artist. Now that your canvas is primed and ready, it's time to get in touch with your inner artist. First, grab your foundation and blend, blend, blend. Whether you're using a beauty sponge, brush, or your trusty fingers, the goal is a smooth, even finish. It will still help give you a smooth base while achieving a more minimal look. Uoma Beauty Say What foundation is like the fairy godmother of foundations, providing a flawless, long-lasting base for your makeup masterpiece. It pretty much acts like a second skin, so whether you're going for a natural vibe or a full glam look, this foundation's got your back. Next up, tackle those eyes with some eyeshadow. Pick a palette that complements your outfit, and don't be afraid to play with color or step out of your comfort zone. It's homecoming. Just like your outfit deserves special planning and attention, so does your makeup. The Prados Beauty Sagrado eyeshadow palette is a 30-pan eyeshadow palette and has a combination of stunning mattes and vibrant shimmers that are versatile for almost any homecoming look. Whether you're going for a sultry, smoky eye or soft and romantic look, this palette has you covered. Of course, you'll want to finish off your eye masterpiece with some eyeliner and mascara to make those peepers really pop. Aiko's Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner is creamy and long-lasting. Not to mention, it glides on like a dream. You can even use it to create a precise line or go for a smudge, smoky effect. Plus, it's waterproof, so you won't have to worry about your liner running down your face during those intense dance floor sessions. Homecoming feels like the perfect time to up your lash game with some falsies. The Velour Lashes Effortless Kit is the perfect choice for beginners because it not only gives you dramatic volume and length, but you also don't have to do anything crazy to apply them. Not measuring or trimming. You can just glue them and go. With your eye look finished, it's time to bring some life back to your face. You're gonna wanna go in with a pop of blush to the apples of your cheeks and pull it up towards your temples. Cream blushes like the RMS Beauty Lip to Cheek have become immensely popular over the last few years, mainly because their rich, creamy texture blends so easily into the skin. They're perfect for creating a natural, dewy finish and can be applied with your fingers, a brush, or a sponge. Last but not least, let's talk lips. Lime Crime Velveteen's liquid lipstick is the cherry on top of your homecoming makeup sundae. With a velvety, long-lasting formula, this liquid lipstick will keep your palette looking perfect all night long. I'm using the color Cashmere, but you can choose from a variety of bold and beautiful shades to complement your eye look and really make a statement. Step 3, set it and forget it. Once your makeup is finished, you've got to lock it down. This is where our trusty setting spray is going to come in handy. I love the Pixi Beauty Makeup Fixing Mist because it's lightweight but also long-lasting. Step 4, touch up like a pro. Let's be real, even the best makeup might need a little TLC throughout the night. Come prep by stashing some essentials in your purse or pocket. Think powder, lipstick, and maybe even a mini mascara. Keep an eye out for any shiny spots, smudge liner, or disappearing lipstick, and touch up when necessary. Just like that, you've leveled up your homecoming makeup game. Now that we've got the basics down for your fabulous homecoming makeup look, let's talk about some additional items that will take your look to new heights. Because let's face it, we're all about turning heads and making an impression at the big dance, right? First up, we've got a heatless curl set from Invisibobble. This is perfect for getting waves and curls into your hair without having to fuss with tools that damage your hair. It's also something you can do overnight, so you'll have more time to get ready before the big event. Next, let's talk about your nails. Going to the salon and getting them done is expensive and time-consuming, but thankfully there are plenty of long-lasting, natural-looking press-on nails. I like the Dashing Diva nail tip because it's so easy to apply and you don't need glue to do it. They have a bunch of different colors, but the full spectrum look is classy and timeless, which will pair well with most homecoming looks. Another product you can use to level up your look is the Eva NYC Just Glisten Hair and Body Shine Mist. You can use this mist anywhere on your hair or skin that you feel needs an extra dash of shine. It helps give your hair a radiant sheen and brings a moisturized, dewy effect to your skin. Finally, you're going to want to spritz on a signature scent. I love Ariana Grande's Cloud Eau de Parfum. It's dreamy and playful with hints of pear, bergamot, and lavender. Or if you're wanting something a little more floral, try out JLo's fragrance, Promise Eau de Parfum. And that's a wrap on homecoming makeup. I hope you have the best night and can step into the party feeling confident. Thank you so much for watching. If you still have questions or need to talk to someone about the best options for your unique skin tone and color, we want to help you find the right products for you. Come into JCPenney Beauty and our experts will help you find the right stuff to kick your makeup look into the next gear. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date on all things makeup and skincare at JCPenney. We'd also love to hear about your beauty routines, so leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.